Hi everyone, Mark from CEM Engineering and Energy Radio, reminding you that podcast episode 39, I Spy Energy, is available anywhere podcasts can be heard. It's a really cool episode, you don't want to miss it. You can hear it along with all of our other episodes at cemeng.ca/podcast. Here's a segment taken from episode 39. Thanks for listening.
It was kind of difficult selling this pump to the marketplace, right? There had not been an innovation in a pump system or I guess a commercial hot water recirculation system for, I don't know, like 30 years. And so here I was as a woman, right, speaking to these, jaded male engineers that, didn't believe that this pump could do anything better than what they already had, right? So that was a constant challenge, but one that I became really familiar with, working in the energy industry, right? There are more women now, certainly, and a lot of women in sustainability and renewables, but there weren't a lot of women really in energy efficiency, and certainly there weren't a lot of women, going around in rat-infested boiler rooms in New York City and Massachusetts, trying to explain to these engineers how this pump works. But it did work pretty well,
Wow.
I think you can teach yourself anything, really. If you stick with something and you believe in something, then you have the drive to go figure it out.
And out of curiosity, what was the improvement to the pump? Like, what was so novel about it?
Yeah, so instead of most older commercial buildings will have a constant hot water recirculation cycle, so that when anyone in that building turns on the hot water, it'll be immediately ready, kind of like a hotel, right? You go into a hotel and there's no waiting for that hot water. It's bam, right there, ready for you to get in the shower.
Right.
But but that's possible because hot water is recirculating constantly. So what that means is the boiler is constantly heating up the water, right, to make it available at any time. And so the improvement was that this hot water had a mechanism that enabled you to call up the hot water when you needed it, but it didn't have to be circulating 24/7 to get you the hot water quickly.
What are you up to these days then, Emily, in our space, in the sustainability and the renewable space? What's your kind of focus these days?
Yeah, so I can say that I'm having a blast working in the renewable energy space. So our company is a global energy consultancy, and we work primarily with Fortune 500 manufacturers, also industrials, to help them develop their renewable energy targets, carbon neutrality targets, and then we help them to explore the global renewable energy market and figure out which renewable energy mechanisms and strategies work the best to help them meet those targets.
Energy Radio.